Did you know? Did you know that there are currently more than 15 million single moms in America today? Or that they are currently raising more than 22 million of today's youth? Well, I am a percentage of that. For as long as I know, being raised by a single parent has always been looked down on, or even questioned if that kid is going to grow up to be a good kid and if they have a future. Very easily do many people overlook that just as there is negative effects to single parenting, there are also positive effects to single parenting. Here are some negative stereotypes that you have probably heard or have maybe even thought of. According to prospect.org, the consequences of single parenting are child poverty, delinquency, and school failure. According to SecureTeen.com, the psychological effects are resentment, a sense of inferiority, emotional issues, and feeling insignificant. Now, as I said earlier, I was raised by a single mom, so I know firsthand all of the negative effects that it has had on me, and it took me a very long time to actually be able to see all of the good things that have come from my own challenges and my own experience. There were very many challenging moments in my life. Not only was I raised by my mom, but she also raised my 3 younger siblings who I helped raise as well because of the lack of my dad in my life. I dealt with insecurities, not feeling confident, and even fearing that I was going to be abandoned in any kind of relationship or friendship that I may have had. But because of my challenges and the way that my mom raised me, I am who I am today. I am a very independent person, very responsible. I have a huge love for my community, and I have always been very mature for my age. I have always been someone that has been looked up to, and I absolutely love mentoring other people. My mom is my hero. I don't know how she did it. Because of her, she taught me the value of life, how to see things from a new perspective, and to be thankful for everything that I have. I love the phrase, "You are not your past and you are not your circumstances." I choose who I want to be and how I let my upbringing help mold me into becoming the best version of myself, not just today, but every day. Because of that life motto that I have been able to grow into the person that I am today, slowly, little by little. And every challenge that I had to face only helped me become stronger and helped me to find the good in everything, even the most challenging moments that I had. Now, let me tell you some of the positive effects that single parenting does have. According to Mom Junction, you have a stronger sense of community, a strong mother-child bonding, more responsible, you're more mature, you're looked up to more often, and you learn how to face challenges. In my opinion, if I could add one more, it would be accountability. I would want to add that one to the list because you don't get to decide if you are raised by a single parent or how it affects you. But you do get to choose how it affects you. You may not choose what is happening to you, but you get to determine how that circumstance helps you to become a better person. A few fun facts that I learned were Some of the people in our world actually were raised by single moms, like Barack Obama, Angelina Jolie, Alicia Keys, and Michael Phelps. These are people that, although they were raised by single parents, they still chose to chase after their dreams and to become the best versions of themselves no matter their circumstance. There are many single parent stereotypes out there and stigmas that go around, but what about the parents who have beat the odds and have left their mark on society? Like my very own story, history is full of single women and children who have impacted our lives. All single parents come from different walks of life, but have all had the same strength and determination to achieve greatness.